Case born be compatible with Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra case, extremely rugged, military-grade 5-layer construction, with built-in stand formerly Armadillo Tech, Black Note. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Born and built in DFW, Texas, Case Born has achieved legendary status for its ability to withstand extreme conditions. It has survived drops from line work, being run over by a Tesla Model X, being flung out a car window at 60 miles per hour, encounters with cattle and lawnmower blades, toddler chewing, and more. Our Galaxy S24 Ultra 5G case is the epitome of excellence. It combines military-grade protection, incredible screen protection, rugged design, precise craftsmanship, and unbeatable drop protection. Elevate your phone's protection and style with our case. You can buy using the link in the description.